How to not overthink an idea. This video is probably the best example. I took a challenge to create some character animation using these dry marigolds. Now in a heartbeat, this sounds like a pretty cool idea, but later it turned out to be a nightmare. Once I got the perfect shot, I exported the image to Krita and started sketching around it. This is where my overthinking began. My initial idea was to create 3 flapper girls. But then I quickly changed my mind and I thought, why can't I make several people from different cultures? That'll be a pretty cool thing to show. So I started making rough explorations from Japanese, Indian, African culture, even these cheerleaders as well, which is very random. But I forgot while creating all this that I need to animate this. So I decided to narrow down my choices and I went back to flapper girls that I initially came up with. And I've picked probably one of the hardest one to animate, that is flapper girls. But the next problem came is, what will be the right pose for animation? So I made 3 rough animation poses. Let's name them. The first one is the shoulder shimmy, the second one is the masquerade mask reveal, and the third one is the smoker. Out of all 3, I felt the shoulder shimmy was quite expressive, so I put this same pose for all 3 of them. Then I converted the stick figures in anatomy. Then I started doing cleanup by adding final details like clothes, pearls, fascinators, and fringes. And this is how it turned out. Should I also make the other explorations animated as well? Comment below.